Good morning, students. We are studying lesson 2. The name of the lesson is Our Extended Family. We have read the lesson up to page number 8. Today we are going to read page number 9. And at last we will do the summary of the lesson, read and reflect. Now coming to our next topic on page number 9. The topic is decision making. Now what is a decision? Decision is a conclusion which is derived after considering so many facts. So what is decision? Decision is conclusion. Now reading the lesson. In many nuclear families, the father alone takes the major family decisions and is considered the head of the family. In nuclear families, parents and children live together and father is considered as the head of the family. But in joint families, grandparents, parents, uncles, aunts, cousins all live together. So let's see what happens in a joint family. In joint families, the eldest male is usually the decision maker. In joint families, generally the eldest male means the person who is eldest in the family and who is male also. Male means a man also. So in joint families, the eldest male is usually the decision maker. And in joint families, generally grandfather is the oldest male person, and so he usually takes all the decisions of the family. Nowadays, in some families, all elders take family decisions together. But in today's world, one person do not take the decision alone. All the elders, members of the family, sit together and take decisions. They also try to involve their grown-up children, and now the grown-up children are also involved in taking any decision regarding the family matter, because grown-up children are also considered important in the family. The children are encouraged, underline the word encouraged, ENCOURAGED. Encouraged means to give support. Now the children are encouraged to express their opinions. Underline the word opinions, OPINIONS. Opinions means your view. What you think about a certain matter is your opinion. And desires. Underline the word desires, DESIRES. Desire is a strong wish or want, is known as desire. This helps them to develop a healthy relationship with their elders. Nowadays, children are also given importance in the family and they are encouraged to express their views. What they think about a certain matter, what are their desires, what are their needs. All the opinions, desires, needs of the children are taken care of, and then they are also involved in the decision making of the family. And this is very important to develop a very good relationship with their elders also. A healthy relationship means a good relationship. Now there is a pink box given there. Who takes the important decisions in your family? Now you have to tell who takes the important decisions in your family. If it's your father, you may write father. If it's your grandfather, then you may write grandfather. If there is someone else other than your father and grandfather, then you may write the name of that family member. Now the hard words for today is decision. Decision means a conclusion. Second one, considered. Consider means thought carefully. Number third, encouraged. Encouraged means gave support or supported. Opinion, a view. Desire, a strong wish or want is called desire. So write them in your notebook along with their meanings. And children, your assignment for today, write all the hard words in your notebook. Learn spellings and meanings of all the hard words. Third is write 5 points about your extended family. I hope you must have understood the topic. Okay, thank you children.